All right, so the crypto market has been extremely volatile over the last couple of months. We've seen Bitcoin as high as $109,000 per coin and as low as in the $70,000 per coin range. A lot of this has had to do with Trump, recent tariffs he's announced, him coming into office, just a lot of drama in the overall economic sector. And so if we're looking at the crypto space, yeah, people are losing money just from prices going down. People are losing money in the stock market from prices going down, but there's also people making money because there's always tools out there that allow you to make money. And so if we're looking at Bitcoin right now being right around $82,000, $83,000 per coin, Ethereum being at $1,700 per coin, like, yeah, prices aren't as high as they were a few months ago, but there still are a lot of opportunities to make money. And recently we did videos about CoinEx. CoinEx sees over $1 billion in 24-hour derivative trading volume. In terms of the reserves, they have $300 million in reserves. If you're looking at the spot market over on CoinEx, they have nearly $200 million in 24-hour spot trading volume. So this is a platform that is extremely reputable. It's very big. It's very secure. They've never really had any major issues in terms of hacks. And so I use them a lot for their unique tools they have to profit during market volatility, to profit when the market's going sideways, like really to just profit outside of your traditional trading in the crypto space. We've talked about a number of different features on their platform in the past. We've talked about AMM, we've talked about financial, and so today I want to talk about crypto loans under their finance section and also copy trading, because with crypto loans, the cool thing is that this is something that CoinEx offers, and they offer users a fast, secure, and flexible way to borrow crypto. So you don't have to sell your holdings, which is the cool thing. So with instant approval and no credit checks and really competitive interest rates, users can go about accessing liquidity while maintaining ownership of their assets. And the platform provides an adjustable loan-to-value ratio, which ultimately ensures that you can minimize risks while also still securing funds for trading, investments, personal use. And so whether you're looking for like short-term or long-term, like flexibility, CoinEx Loans offers the ability to really facilitate anything you need in terms of those options. So you can see the way it works is you have to 1, add collateral, 2, receive the loan, 3, repay the loan, and 4, receive collateral. So you can see all the different options right here. It says BTC discount rate 100%, max effective collateral value in USDT is 1.5 million. Ethereum, same thing. You can see that they have a lot of different cryptocurrencies with different examples. So ultimately, that the way that this works, if we scroll down here, it says, for example, the discount rate of Bitcoin, let's say, is 90% max. Effective collateral value is 10,000 USDT and its initial LTV is 70%. So when your collateral is 20,000 USDT worth of Bitcoin, then the discounted collateral value equals 20,000 times 90%, which is the max effective collateral value, which is 18,000, exceeding the max effective collateral value. In this case, the actual effective collateral value is 10,000 USDT and the max loan is 7,000 USDT. So it's a pretty simple thing, and really you don't have to think too much about it. You just can go about clicking on borrow, and it'll walk you through exactly how much you can borrow based on your collateral that you have. So this is a way where you can have liquidity without selling your crypto positions. You can borrow crypto instantly while still keeping your holdings like Bitcoin, Ethereum, like Cardano, BNB. You can still keep those holdings, but use USDT for something else. In addition to this, you have a secure and flexible way to get these loans, and there's no credit checks required. They have really low interest rates. You can see daily interest, it says right here, 0.1% for USDT. So you can see that you really can't find this anywhere else. And this is just a cool way where you can generate some additional liquidity, but without having to sell your crypto holdings. So it's a great way to have your long-term holdings still in the market, but have liquidity to do something else, like make investments, maybe personal expenses, something that's really, really exciting in my opinion. Next thing is with copy trading, because copy trading, we've talked about this on other platforms in the past, but it's a good way to invest in the market by following the best traders out there, because maybe you're not the best at trading yourself, maybe you've lost money. And so with periods of volatility, there's always people making money. And with CoinEx copy trading, it's an easy and transparent way to follow top performing traders and copy their strategy. So users can select traders based on performance, risk levels, and trading style. And then you could just automate your trades with flexible results. So you could see if you could base it off of their ROI. If you look at ROI, you could see the 30-day ROI of all these different traders, and you can select which one you want to copy based on their 30-day ROI. You also could look at based off of their overall P&L. Again, you can see all the details right here of their overall P&L, how they've performed, not just over the last 30 days, but overall, like even longer time periods, like 90 days, for example. And so this is a good way to see it. You could also look at assets under management. Who is managing the most assets and still being able to yield a profit? So again, all of these things can help you make a decision. And the cool thing about CoinEx copy trading is that all you do is you can look at all these different features, select a trader that you want by browsing the leaderboard, and then you can go about making whichever investment you want. Let's say for this one, between 500 to 50,000 USDT, you could do copy leader trade. So you could copy whatever the lead trader, you can copy their margin mode, or you can adjust it based on your own personal needs. You also can adjust your take profit if you would like, or you could just copy the lead trader. So you can see all these details are very simple and easy, and it's something that allows you to really profit during market volatility, even if you're not the best of traders, because it allows you to just choose a lead trader, set copy parameters, and copy the lead trader operation. So this is just a way where you can still profit during periods of market volatility, because it allows you to go about making money even if you're not the best of traders. Because ultimately, if you're looking at the market, the market may be down, but every time someone loses money, there's someone else out there making money. So using copy trading allows you to follow these best traders that are still making money during periods where the market may not be, doing too well and may be really volatile. So there's always people out there making money, and using these two features really allows you to take advantage of it. The crypto loans on CoinEx and with copy trading. So right now there's just a lot of instability in the market, a lot of volatility. Things change every single day, especially with what's going on with President Trump. So just take a look at these features and really benefit from them during periods of the market like we're seeing right now.